Morning, kindergarten. Happy Thursday. All right, here comes another morning meeting. All right, let's start with calendar. We are still in April, getting to the end of the month here. All right, let's count the days in April so far. Ready, set, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, I gotta find the number 30. What does a 30 look like? Think in your head. What does 30 look like? Looks like a 3 and a 0. There's 30, and today is Thursday. So I'm moving my clips forward. Today is the 30th of April. Yesterday was the 29th. Yesterday was a Wednesday. All right, now I got to change my numbers at the bottom here. Okay, so today is the 30th, 3 and a 0. Yesterday was the 29th, a 2 and a 9. And tomorrow will be, so normally after 30 comes 31, but there's not 31 days in April, there's only 30. So that means tomorrow we start a new month, and if we start a new month, we go back to the number 1. So tomorrow is going to be May 1st. So we put a 1 there. All right, let's talk about our question of the day. Here's our question. Go ahead and pause the video right here. See if you can pick out any of the words before I read the question to you. Okay, so let's look at our first word here. We should know this word. This says what. We should know this word. This says are. What are? We might know this word. This word says some. And we should know this word on. The rest are kind of tricky, so I'll read the rest of the whole sentence to you. Ready? It says, what are some ways people travel on water? Oh, what are some ways that people travel on water? Think in your head a little bit. You can go ahead and pause the video right here and think of some ways that people travel on water, and then I'll share some of my ideas with you next. Okay, so here are some of the ideas that I came up with. One that we should all be able to think of is a boat, right? There are lots of different kinds of boats, but we use boats to travel on water. That's probably the most common way to travel on water. Next one was our vocabulary word from the other day. This says kayak. And the next to that I have canoe, because a kayak and a canoe are very similar. Then I also thought of a jet ski. Maybe some of you have been on a jet ski with mom or dad or a grown-up on a lake, or maybe even the ocean. And then the last one I thought of says submarine. Okay, and I'm gonna kind of move forward to our vocabulary word, because our vocabulary word today is a submarine. Do you know what a submarine is? Think in your head a little bit. What is a submarine? A submarine is sort of like a boat, but it's really special because a submarine can go under the water, and when it travels underneath the water instead of on top of the water like regular boats do. So a submarine travels under the water so that other boats or ships can't see it. Okay, and then so it kind of can sneak up on people. So that's why a lot of times people will use it in the army or that type of thing, so that other ships won't be able to see them coming, and they'll kind of be able to sneak up on them. So a submarine is a form of transportation that runs underneath the water instead of on top of the water. Okay, so today is Thursday, so normally we would have music today. If you want to, you can go ahead and do some of those choice options for Mrs. Smith. And then we also have a phonics lesson and a math lesson today. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day and a great weekend. Remember, we are moving to 4-day weeks, so we have no work for tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and hopefully the weather's nice that you can get outside and enjoy that weather. So yeah, have a great day and a great weekend, guys. I'll see you next week.